Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add auto captions on TikTok. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to start creating a new video. Now hold down the red recording button to begin recording your video. Once you're done recording, tap on the downward arrow in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the options, tap on Captions to enable automatic captions for your video. TikTok will begin generating captions for your video automatically. Once the captions are generated, you'll be able to see them on your video. You can also customize the captions by changing the style and color. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the font to suit your preference. Now, your video has auto-generated captions with your personal style and customization. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.